In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zoho book subscription. Let's walk through this process together in just a few simple and straightforward steps. Now, whether you're switching to a different service or you just no longer need Zoho books, cancelling your subscription is a step you'll need to take. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account. Go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books website. Then use your account credentials to log in. Once you're in, you should see your dashboard, which is the starting point for all actions within Zoho Books. Now we move on to the next step. Direct your attention to the settings option, which is usually signified by a gear icon. Click on this to access a variety of options related to your account and software preferences. It's your control panel where you'll manage various configurations within Zoho Books. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the organization tab. This is where you can manage all things pertaining to your company profile and configurations. Selecting this tab will present you with more detailed settings specific to your organization's operation within Zoho Books. Now, on to the critical step, locating the option to manage your subscription. Within this organization settings area, you should find a section labeled Manage Subscription. Go ahead and click on this. This is where you can review and alter the details concerning your subscription to Zoho Books. Now that you're in the Manage Subscription section, you'll see an option to cancel your subscription. This option is crucial for those who are looking to terminate their current subscription due to various reasons like budget adjustments or business changes. Click on this cancel option. If you currently have an active subscription service, the cancel feature will indeed be clickable and will guide you through the necessary prompts. Be prepared to possibly answer a few questions about why you're cancelling. This feedback is typically used to improve their service, but remember, it's up to you how much you decide to share. Remember to review any cancellation terms or notes that might affect billing or access to your data. You might want to ensure that you have exported any necessary data before completing this process. Once you've confirmed the cancellation, your subscription should be terminated and you'll receive a confirmation of this action. And there you have it, a quick walkthrough on how to effectively cancel your Zoho Book subscription. Hopefully this guide was helpful and gives you the clarity you need to manage your subscription decisions seamlessly. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever necessary, and thank you for tuning in today.